Topping our news at noon, the Detroit Public Schools Community District and the Education Achievement Authority announced a new plan to improve some of its at-risk schools. And this all comes after the state's 2016 priority schools list identified 79 DPS, CD, and EAA schools that are in need of improvement. Our Rod Maloney is joining us live now this afternoon with a look at the plan to improve schools. Rod?
Well, you know, Evrod, here's the thing. The list that came out that you were talking about on Friday kind of slid under the radar because of the inauguration events and so forth. And so one of the things that's transpired here is that there are 36 schools in the city of Detroit, both EAA and also City of Detroit public schools, that are considered so bad that they need to be closed down by the state. And so the question becomes, what becomes of the children in those schools, and do all 36 need to be closed? And that's one of the things that they're working on, and in fact, that's something that they've been working on since last October. And so Alicia Merriweather, the interim school superintendent, had a little meeting today to sort of look forward to what it is that needs to happen in Detroit public schools as a way for them to be able to cope with the situation. So let's hear from her about the list that was put out on Friday and where the district is headed.
I'm not standing here saying don't close failing schools. What I'm standing here saying is give us an opportunity to continue implementing things that we've seen showing promising predictive outcomes. And for places that are not showing outcomes, let's acknowledge that something totally different needs to be done.
Now, one of the things that she and the EAA superintendents say that they're working on, because the EAA is joining with Detroit Public Schools as of July 1st, is that they need to figure out things that are being done in other big cities like the city of Detroit. Indianapolis is one of them, that they can look at and start using some of the information from those districts. And so next week, they're going to be bringing in from Massachusetts, from Indianapolis, school district people to talk about the things that work in their cities to see if perhaps they could be implemented here. And in the meantime, they're saying that it's not likely that all of the schools on the school closing list will in fact close. In fact, they're saying that it's probably a sizable number of them will stay open. But we'll keep looking, we'll keep working on this. We'll have a further update coming up on Local 4 News at 5. Reporting live in Detroit, Rod Maloney, Local 4.